Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see lowest common multiples LCM. Okay. What is LCM? A multiple is obtained by multiplying a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay. For example, multiple of 4. Okay. Multiple of 4. Okay. So what's a multiple of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 4 6 are 24, 28, so on. Okay. So now, next multiple of 6. 6. So what is multiple of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. So common multiples. You know this. What are the common multiples? 12 is a common here. Okay. Then 24 is a common here. Okay. So 36 is a common here. Okay. So common multiples is 12, 24 and 36. Okay. Now we have to find the lowest common multiple, LCM, same as HCM. HCM means highest common. Now we are finding lowest common. Okay. So lowest common multiple is, in these common multiples, which one is the lowest here? 12, right? So lowest common multiple is 12. Understood? So HCF is the biggest common factors. Okay. LCM is the smallest common multiples. That's it. This is the lowest. Understood? This is called the lowest common. We have to find the lowest common multiples. Now we will move on to LCM by prime factorization. Okay. So same as HCM. Okay. So we'll take here, they take 12 and 20. We will take that only. 12 and 20. Find the LCM of 12 and 20 by prime factorization. So how to do this? First we'll see 12. Lowest starts with the lowest 2. 2, 6 are 12. It's a division method. 3 is a next 3 ones. 2, 3, 2, 2 and 3. So 2, 2, 3. Okay. Next 20. 5 ones. 2 to 5. 2 to 5. It's for 12. It's for 20. Okay. Then here common multiples is 2, 2, 3, 5. So remember, we select these 2, 2, 2, 2, but we select only one. Okay, not 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, not like this. Okay, first we have to select only one. 2 in this, 2 into 3 into 5. Understood? So don't select 2, 2, 2, 3, 5. Not like this for LCM. Okay. Only in this common multiples, only we have to select only one. Okay. 2. In this, we have to select only 1, 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60. Okay. So LCM is 60. Understood this? This is how we have to do prime factorization. So why we are not selecting all the factors here? Because when we select all, we have to count twice. Instead, we use common factors only once. Okay. Next, LCM by division method. So, division method means if they give three numbers at a time. Okay. Find the LCM of 16, 12 and 24. We have to do the division method. Same as this. Okay. There is no change. Same as this. Okay. We'll take this only. 16, 12 and 24. Okay. By division method. How to do this? As usual, we have to take a lowest number. 2. We have to see whether these numbers multiple by 2. Okay. If it is not multiply, then just carry over that number. So 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 12s are 24. Right? Next again 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Again 2. Okay. Because these two are multiplied by 2. That's why we have to take 2. 2 2s are 4. 3. We can't multiply 3 by 2, right? So these 3 carried here 3. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Next we'll see 3. 2 here carried 2. 3 ones are 3 ones are. Again, and you have to multiply until you will get 1 at the end. In the end, we have to get 1. Okay, 2 ones are. Understood how to divide this? Okay. So if the chosen prime number can't divide a number, simply carry that. Don't change anything. Okay, just you have to carry. Okay. So here 2 2 2 3 2. 2 2 2 3 into 2. Multiply this. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 2s are 24 to 48. Answer is 40 48. Understood this much? This is a LCM by division method. Okay. Next, we will move on to the relationship between LCM and HCM, HCF and LCM. Okay. So complete the table. So how product of numbers, product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, we have to multiply these two, then you will get this answer. Okay, first see 8 and 12. Okay, we will complete this table 8 and 12. So product numbers already is there 96, HCF 4, LCM 24. We have to find HCF into LCM. So multiply this HCF into LCM. Okay, 24 into 4. 24 into 4 is equal to 96. Okay, so this is answer is 96. Next 6 and 10. So we have to find out all this. So first 6 and 10 product numbers. First we have to find out the factor of 6. Okay, factors of 6. What are there? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, these are the factor of 6. Then factors of 8, factors of 10, sorry, factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay, so here HCF is, so common factor is 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, HCF is bigger number 2. Okay, next comes to LCM. This is the finding HCF, right? LCM, we have to find out LCM here. 6. So multiples of 6. Okay. Next multiples of 10. These are the multiples of 10. Next common multiples. 30, 60, right? 30 and 60. So LCM is 30. Okay. Now you have to, so we got HCF. How much? HCF is 2, right? LCM 30. We have to multiply these two. We will get product of numbers. Okay. Sixty. Okay, here also 60. Understood this? Next 10, 15. First we have to find the factors of high HCF. First we have to find the HCF. Okay. Factors of 10. What are the factor of 10? You know factors, right? 1 tens are 10, 2 fives are 10, 3 no, 4 no, 5 twos are 10, 6 no, 7 No. So factors of 10 is 1, 2, 5, 10. Okay. Next, factors of 15. 1 15s are 15. 2, no. 3 5s are 15. 4, no. 5 3s are 15. So factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. So now common factors. We have to find the common factors. 1 and 5. Okay. 1 and 5. So HCF, highest common factor is 5. Okay. We got HCF. Next we will move on to LCM, multiples. How to find out LCM? 10. 1 tens are 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, 4, 50, 60, 70, 80, 9 tens are 90, 10 tens are 100. Okay. Next, multiples of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. So common here, common multiples are 30, 60, 30 and 60. So LCM, lowest common multiples is 30. Okay, understood? So here HCF is 5, LCM is 30. So product of number, you have to multiply this 150. Okay, 150. Understood this relationship between HCF and LCM? This is about the find out the lowest common multiples. Okay, tomorrow we will see practice 5. Okay, thank you.